How to comfort a dying dog. Do you notice some negative signs in the behavior and appearance of your dog, such as lethargy, loss of interest in food, or sunken eyes? Sadly, your dog may be in fact dying. In this Gen X Pets video we will be discussing 6 ways you can comfort your dog as they go through this difficult ordeal. Although this is a difficult time for you also, these tips will indeed ease your dog's pain and suffering. So stay tuned. But before we begin, we want to take this opportunity to thank you for returning to the channel, and for those who have not yet subscribed, we kindly ask you to do so to be notified when we drop a new video. Leave a comment below saying that I subscribed, and we will reply to you personally. Now let us begin. How do I comfort a dying dog? 1. Try to alleviate the pain. Pain management is very important during those final days to make your dog feel at ease and comfortable. The problem here is that animals do not often vocalize pain, instead they hide it, and hide it well. Sometimes an animal will continue to eat or drink in spite of being in pain. Some signs that will tell you that your dog is in pain are panting or gasping for air, laziness or droopiness, exhibiting behavioral changes, rapid breathing and pulse. If you notice any of these signs, speak with your veterinarian immediately. Your vet will help you acquire the necessary pain relief medications to make your dog comfortable. 2. Be patient, calm and understanding. Older or sick dogs may lose control of their bowels or will throw up wherever they are. Be mindful, this is not their fault and they are not being lazy. So, if you find that your dog has defecated, urinated or throw up in their sleep area, move them gently out of the way, reassure them that everything is fine with a kiss or a gentle pet. Shouting at them or getting angry will only make them feel worse. Dogs are very sensitive to your emotions, so it can be distressing to your dog if you show anger or frustration on a situation they have no control over. 3. Provide a quiet, serene environment. During the last hours of your dog's life, they may be experiencing pain, confusion, and discomfort. To avoid them feeling distressed, anxious, or avoid them lashing to anyone, carefully monitor interactions with other pets and children. Ensure the interactions are gentle and calm. Perhaps avoid introducing your pet to new places or new people, as this will overstimulate them and drain them of the little energy they may have. Give your dog a quiet and calm environment away from chaos, loud noises, and overstimulation. Instead, do well to play some relaxing music or music containing natural sounds like waterfalls. If you are finding value from this video so far, kindly drop a like so more persons can benefit from it also. Thank you, it is highly appreciated. Now let us continue. 4. Give them a comfortable sleeping area. As your dog enters their final days, they will be lethargic and sleep a lot. This is all in an attempt to preserve the little energy they may have. To help them feel relaxed, ensure the area they are using to rest is clean, dry, and comfortable. Dying dogs may feel colder than healthy dogs, so ensure you have a couple of blankets you can put on them to keep them warm. A heating pad under their bed to keep them warm at all times can be really handy. 5. Keep your dog well hydrated. As your dog's life is coming to an end, they will not want to have a lot to eat or drink. Do not become frustrated, this is normal. Their bodies are shutting down. They no longer have the sensation of hunger or thirst. Food is no longer essential for your dog. They can go multiple days without. However, dehydration may make them feel uncomfortable and can lead to a painful death. To check if your pet is dehydrated, gently lift a bit of skin at the back of their neck. If it stays up like a tent and sort of stuck together, he or she is dehydrated. If on the other hand, the skin snaps right back, your pet is hydrated. So, if you try the skin tent test and you are still unsure, try the capillary refill test. Press your finger gently against your dog's gums and then remove your finger. If the area you press is white for a second, but it returns to its normal pink color almost immediately, your pet is well hydrated. If on the other hand, the gums take several seconds to return to its original pink color, your pet is likely dehydrated. Other symptoms of dehydration include panting, excessive drooling, sticky and dry gums, thick saliva, and sunken eyes. If your pet becomes moderate to severely dehydrated, take them to your veterinarian straight away. They may need to be hospitalized and be given intravenous, fluids and an electrolyte solution over 24 to 48 hours, depending on the level of dehydration. Finally, 6. Give them love and affection. If your dog is unwell, ensure that the petting and hugs are measured and not overdone, as these tend to use up a lot of energy. Also ensure they are gentle, especially if their condition involves severe physical pain. Reduce instances of stress altogether. So, what have we looked at today? We looked at the sad subject of your dog dying and steps you can take to comfort them as they make this difficult transition. We sympathize with you and your family if you have found yourself in this difficult situation where you have to deal with your beloved pet dying. There is no easy way to get over this, but cheer up and try to remember and cherish the good memories you shared. Let us know in the comments if you have experienced this tragedy before. Thanks for watching, and we hope you will join us next time for another exciting video in the world of pets.